Welcome, visionaries! Today we're unlocking the power of the mind with our deep dive into positive visualization, the first of our 12 mindset tools for achieving your goals in 2024. Join us as we explore how this powerful technique can transform your dreams into reality. What is positive visualization, and why is it so powerful? It's more than just daydreaming, it's a purposeful and strategic process. Top athletes, successful entrepreneurs, and high achievers across fields use it to envision and actualize their goals. But how does it work? It's all about creating a vivid mental image of your desired outcome. This technique taps into the subconscious mind, programming it for success. Let's delve into the science. Visualization activates the same neural networks that actual actions do. When you imagine running a race, your brain lights up as if you are physically running. This mental rehearsal builds neural pathways, priming your brain to act in ways that align with the visualized scenario. It's not magic, it's neuroscience. Now, how do you start visualizing? First, define your goal. Be specific. Want to ace an interview, deliver an impactful speech, or run a marathon? Picture it in detail. Imagine the setting, the actions, the feelings. The more vivid the image, the better. Make it a multi-sensory experience. What do you see, hear, feel? This level of detail enhances the effectiveness of the visualization. Visualization isn't just for positive outcomes. Use it to foresee challenges and plan ways to overcome them. Imagine encountering an obstacle, and then visualize yourself navigating it successfully. This mental rehearsal prepares you for real-life challenges and enhances your problem-solving skills. Incorporating visualization into your daily routine is key. Dedicate a few minutes each day to practice. Morning is ideal, setting a positive tone for the day, but any time you can focus without interruption works. Find a quiet space, close your eyes, and immerse yourself in your mental imagery. Consistency is crucial. Make it a habit.